Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a what's in my bag video. I had a poll on my Instagram stories between this and a fresh faced everyday makeup, which is already up. It was a really close result, so I decided to just do both of them. So here it is. If you happen to be new to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below this video. I post every single week. I do cruelty-free beauty videos as well as some lifestyle, fashion, hauls, things like that. So if you like those types of videos, definitely subscribe. And let's go ahead and see what's inside my bag. So first things first, if you are wondering where my bag is from, it is actually from H&M. I got this in the summer. It was originally $30. I did see it in store. I really wanted it. I decided not to get it for some reason, and I came back and it was on sale for $15. So obviously I had to get it. This bag is faux leather. I don't purchase anything now that is made out of leather or obviously fur, anything from an animal. I do actually have a wallet in here that is from Kate Spade. It is one that I've used for like 2 or 3 years. So I'm currently just using it until it gets old, I guess, and then I will be repurchasing one from a different brand that is not actually made out of leather. So I just wanted to let you guys know that first. I'll go ahead and just get that out of the way since it is the first thing that I saw. So it just literally keeps like credit cards, IDs, things for transit, stuff like that. It's just a really small little like card wallet. I do, however, have a faux leather coin pouch that I got from Forever 21. I think I mentioned this in my last what's in my bag video. So this actually just holds gift cards. I have some gift cards left still that I had for my birthday. I also keep change in here, and it's just a little bit easier, and it keeps this from being super bulky. Maybe one day I'll actually get a full-sized wallet. I also have a little pack of honey roasted peanuts, and every time I have honey roasted peanuts, I think of flying on an airplane because they always used to like hand these out. I don't think they're allowed to do that anymore. But I actually got this because I was working on set yesterday as a background worker, which I kind of like I'm starting to do now on the side just for fun. So they had these in the crafty area, so I just picked it up. Thought I was gonna eat it yesterday and I didn't. I also have a little compact mirror. I don't remember where I got this, but it has one that's like magnified on one side and one that isn't. It's just really convenient, especially like if I am going somewhere for an event and I have to have pictures taken. Nice to have a mirror. Next, I have one of my top favorite lip balms ever. My other one is from Kopari that I'm obsessed with. I am almost out of this one from Skin Fix. It's the Natural Vanilla Mint Lip Repair Balm. It's 40% coconut oil. It smells really good and it works really good. I have a mini deodorant stick in here from La Vanilla. I love La Vanilla so much. Their perfumes are amazing. Their deodorants are amazing. So this is the Sport Luxe Healthy Deodorant solid stick. It smells really good and fresh. I love having mini deodorants in my bag, especially ones that are cruelty free, and I did get this one at Sephora. No, that's not true. I actually got it at Riley Rose when they did their grand opening at a mall in Seattle. I actually got this there. Of course, I have my car keys in my bag. I also have some like little royalty rewards cards on here. I got some bobby pins and some hair ties, which always come in handy because I always like to tie my hair up. This is one of my favorite things that I have ever bought. It's an earbud case. I think the brand is My Tagalongs. I got this at Winners, I'm pretty sure, but I know that you can buy them at so many different places now, like TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, those types of places. So this one, where are my headphones? Okay. I just panicked for a little bit there, but my headphones are actually in a jacket pocket that I wore yesterday. But I have a set of headphones that are actually for like not the new iPhones. It has the little headphone jack still. I don't really know why I keep it in there because my headphones, those headphones don't work on my iPhone now. I'll probably end up taking them out after this video, but I also have a charging cord because a lot of the times I have a portable battery in my bag as well for charging my phone, so it's always nice to have a cord on hand. I got this when I went on my wilderness retreat with Burt's Bees, so this is just a mini hand salve. It takes up like no space at all, and it's a really good like quick moisturizer for your hands or pretty much anything else. I have one single business card in my bag. Usually I have a lot more, but but I don't know where they went. The other day, I actually did put this in my purse. It's one of the Scentbird perfumes, which I did a video with them. This is the Glossier You scent. It's like my favorite perfume at the moment. And of course, I have a coupon. This one's for Ulta Beauty, and it's still valid, yay! And there's another hair tie, of course. I always have so many in my bag. It's one of those weird like telephone cord ones. I also like to keep painkillers like Tylenol in my bag. I actually covered this in some marble contact paper like probably 2 years ago. And then I also have this little like travel pill case, but inside I have like Pepto tablets and Rolaids because I also like to have those on hand. Maybe it's weird, I don't know. And that is everything that's inside my bag. I actually don't have that much inside for it to be kind of like a larger-ish bag, but I do like to have that extra room in case I like buy something when I'm shopping, and then I can just throw it inside and not have to have a ton of extra bags. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's in my bag. Maybe it's not all that exciting, but it's literally just what I have in there every single day. I do switch between bags probably every couple months. I just really like to do that. This is just the bag that I have currently. If you guys like these types of videos, I can always do a new one if I change how I like organize my bag, which obviously in this video, nothing is really organized. But usually I have a little bit of a different system. I just thought I would show you guys what's in it for every day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you around. And let me know if you have any favorite brands for vegan bags, or if you like to shop at certain places for your purses. Like Target always has amazing purses. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you do have any favorite spots to go to. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!